In this video, I will show you how to change period length on Clue. First, open the Clue app and go to the Calendar tab at the bottom left of your screen. Now, tap the date where your period actually started. Then hit the little blood drop icon at the top right. Go ahead and select all the correct period days. For example, let's say July 1st to 6th. Just tap through them. Once you've picked the right dates, tap Save All to lock it in. And that's it. Clue will update your cycle info and make future predictions more accurate. And that's how to change period length on Clue.